Warning, CP is not a professional chef but can still help you find and make your next amazing meal. So let's not waste any more time and 走起吧. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a very special video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious homemade sweet teriyaki sauce. In fact, it is something so easy to make it's gonna take you less than 10 minutes. This sauce is extremely versatile and can pretty much be added to anything you're eating. At the same time, it can save you plenty of money from eating out. So ladies and gentlemen, let's start cooking, cause this is gonna be good. To start things off, you'll need the following ingredients. Keep in mind the portions included below will help you make about 300 ml of teriyaki sauce. So if you want to make a bigger portion, just simply multiply the ingredient amounts accordingly. One thing to point out here is that my teriyaki sauce recipe actually gives you a few options. If you want something that is a little bit more basic, you can simply go with the 1 cup of water. However, if you want to add a little more flavor to your sauce, I recommend adding either a 1/4 cup of orange juice or pineapple juice to 3/4 of water. At the end of the day, it comes down to personal preference, but I tend to go with the orange juice as I feel like the citric in the orange juice really brings out the sweet and sour taste in my teriyaki sauce.
Okay, let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations! You officially have your own homemade sweet teriyaki sauce. In fact, this sauce can be a constant game changer in your own home, and I recommend making some regularly to store in your fridge, as it can be added to pretty much any meal to make it taste instantly better. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more from my crappy cooking, make sure that you subscribe right now, and I'll love you forever. I promise. For 15 years of good luck, hit that like button now and activate your good fortunes. Do it now.